This week is most important for macro trader. We will see gold, SP 500, US 2-year bond yield and euro dollar. For example, if you look this chart, then yield is going up. They cannot go up forever. In 2024, their rate cut will begin. And if you see for last 1 year, this chart is almost flat, same price level. So this is your ending diagonal chart pattern. Breakout of lower trend line complete, retest of lower trend line complete. Now next step is new lower low. So if it make new lower low this week, that's mean your rate cut market pricing has begun. And what Fed said, close the F door. So that was final warning from Fed. More it go down, more market will change. So technical trader have no idea how this chart will affect everything, whether it goes up or down. So now everyone is fully confirmed that after 2 month flat CPI it will turn down. But everyone is expecting lower than 3.7%. And all the macro trader already know when this chart go below Fed interest rate, what is the meaning of that thing. So this vertical drop triggered after bond market collapse. Now this is counter trend correction. Now wait for new lower low. SP 500 daily chart. In the end, biggest beneficiary of rate cut is US stock market. So this is your big support level. And last week, Fed chair and FOMC member both were hawkish. Now you have to see CPI number will be hawkish or dovish. If both turns hawkish this week, then this chart will go down, or CPI come lower than expected, then next FOMC speech will be dovish. Watch carefully what Fed Williams say this week after CPI news. Price testing, trend line and last fifth retracement level. This is your key horizontal resistance. If this level break out, then get ready for early rate cut. Or if something bad happen, CPI come 3.7%, one more flat line or maybe higher than that, then CPI can trigger market crash this week. Or lower than that number will trigger Fed pivot. Currency euro dollar bottom came same time when gold made bottom, because in theory both things go in same direction, and wave X correction was exactly at 61%. So your ABCD chart pattern complete. We are in next impulsive wave. Next upside target will be 50 to 61% retracement of recent bearish wave. If this trend line break out after CPI, then on retest you can buy, but this area is your next big resistance. USD JPY H4 time frame. Let's say CPI come more than 3.7%. Then this chart will explode. And if you remember what happened after Jolt's report, that was super strong. Gold was almost collapsing. But after that news, both central bank at the same time, FOMC and BOJ, they both were doing FX intervention. If you remember correctly, this chart went down vertically. So higher CPI will repeat same thing again on USD JPY pair. So compared to all currency pair, trade carefully USD JPY. Before clear confirmation, use small size. And this is not technical trade, this is macro trade. This pair is linked with US Treasury market. If this become double top, then both things will go down in big way. So same like that JOLTS report, if CPI number come hot, then BOJ will sell, or if CPI number come weak, then investor will sell. Because in the end, dollar pair can have a problem except USD JPY. If recession trade start, then dollar will go up and GBP USD Euro USD trader will have a problem. So Robert T. Kiyosaki triggered FOMO buying right at the top of fifth wave. Since then you can see it is down, and I think from this top to bottom after $78 decline, FOMO buying must have changed. This week you have COT data 2 times. Last week after that drop, their buying is changing, they are going in flat line. If you see wave Y, then it has 5 impulsive wave, extension in third wave, then again extension in fifth wave. Yesterday after triangle chart pattern correction in fourth wave, it made new low at 1931. Since then it is up, because that time everyone is fully confirmed that after flat line CPI will turn down. So most of the CPI reaction is already priced in. All action depend how high and low number come compared to 3.3%. So this week big price action starting on CPI number. So your 5 wave have complete at 1931. Correction have begun. This wave was almost impulsive. You can see first week level 1970. That's mean 50% retracement from top to bottom. Until this level breakout, there is no trend reversal. And your nearest intraday support level 1940. Below this level, buyers will have a problem. And this trend line on H1 time frame, this is your strong dynamic trend line. If CPI comes super hot, line turns upward, then it will go down. Wait for retest of this blue trend line, then you buy. No static support, only dynamic support on H1 time frame. And static resistance 1970. Same like most popular motivation speaker, psychology of all trader have changed after this new low 1931. Before end of this week, you will get clear confirmation this WXY correction have complete at 1931 or more correction is coming.